Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening settings and tapping notifications so you control how alerts arrive. This shows all installed apps and the master switch. Turn off any active focus or do not disturb so notifications aren't suppressed. Once done, scan the app list. Apps at the top usually sent recent alerts. Make sure system sounds are enabled in sounds and haptics so you can hear incoming notifications, and then select the first app you want to configure. Now you configure each app so it notifies you the way you prefer. Tap an app, turn on Allow Notifications, then pick where alerts appear. Lock screen, notification center, and banners. This decides visibility. Next, select banner style and sounds. Banner persistence helps notice messages you might miss. Make sure badges are enabled if you want unread counts on the app icon. Once configured, repeat for other priority apps to prioritize what reaches you first. Finish by fine-tuning global controls and confirming delivery. If you want fewer interruptions, use scheduled summary or a focus to batch non-urgent alerts. These tools control timing and priority. Also confirm background app refresh and cellular/Wi-Fi access so apps can fetch new content. If notifications still don't appear, restart the iPhone and check for an iOS update. A reboot often clears delivery issues. If that fails, revisit notifications.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.